Saving small amounts of money regularly can lead to big financial goals. It's like climbing a mountain, one step at a time. Each small step gets you closer to the top. In investing, that small step is your monthly systematic investment plan, or SIP. With an SIP, you invest a fixed amount regularly in a mutual fund. This disciplined approach helps you build wealth gradually. You don't need a large sum to start investing. Consistent small investments can grow into a significant corpus over time. A systematic investment plan, or SIP, is a simple and disciplined way to invest in mutual funds. It's like setting up an automatic savings plan. With SIP, you invest a fixed amount of money in a chosen mutual fund at regular intervals. This could be monthly, quarterly, or annually. SIPs are flexible and fit any budget. You can start with as little as 500 rupees per month. SIPs take the stress out of timing the market. Compounding is the secret sauce of investing. It's the powerful force that helps your money grow exponentially over time. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. In simple terms, compounding means earning returns on your initial investment. Then you earn returns on those returns and so on. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and growing bigger. The longer you stay invested, the more powerful the effect of compounding becomes. Let's say you decide to invest 3,250 rupees every month in a well-diversified equity mutual fund. Assuming an average annual return of 12%, your investment could grow to 1 crore rupees in approximately 25 years. This example illustrates the power of consistent investing and compounding. The key is to start early and remain invested for the long term. The earlier you